It felt like forever, but we finally have September's Pop in a Box mystery box here. 2 pops are inside. It's an $18.99 box. So, what are we gonna do?
Open the box.
Open the box. Cue intro. Okay.
We need the, pass me the snip snips.
The snip snips or the cutter.
Oh, cutter!
Jojo, you can do the honours. But don't look.
I'm going to try not to. You talk while I open.
So while she's doing that, this will be 2 pops from our I Want This list. We're hoping for the Pinocchio exclusive. A lot of people have got it so far. We're hoping that it will be in here. If not, it's okay. It just means we'll get 2 others from the I Want This list.
Oh.
So, let's see. Okay, we'll also do values as well at the end if we can.
Don't look.
Okay, are there any pop protectors?
No.
Oh,
There isn't.
Alright.
We're not that lucky. Oh, I can't even open it.
Okay,
Right.
we got the first one.
Yeah. No, not quite.
Um,
I'm not looking. Right. Do you want me to pull first? Or
yeah, you pull first.
Do you want me to? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Where's the back? Don't know if it's upside down. Don't think so. What is
Oh, the
it?
anticipation,
What is
Jojo.
it? Oh, it's another South Park.
Oh, no, that's fine. That's Randy Marsh. He was on my I Want This list.
Oh.
So, that's fine. There's
The
quite...
camera?
Yeah, there is a few South Park ones I've got on there as well. We did have the Tool Shed, the Stan one. You know, with its in his superhero one, but I don't know. I like the normal ones. So Randy Marsh, I already know this value is it's quite low, but that's fine. That's a fine pull. It's on the I Want This list. Fingers crossed this is Pinocchio then.
What if it's not? Do you want to pull this one?
Oh yeah, I'll pull this one.
Just like that.
Right. Right. Oh.
I've seen it.
Oh, you've seen it.
Hmm?
Well, you shouldn't have done.
It's rubbish. No, but I might not have done.
No, it is. It is. It
We've
is the
got
Pinocchio
Pinocchio.
one. Finally. Yeah. That's awesome. Yeah. People are already trying to flog this as well online.
Do it properly, because it's a cool looking pop. Oh, can you see?
No, there's 2.
That's a reflection, look.
Yeah. It's reflecting off itself.
Yeah. That's a cool pop. Pop in a box exclusive.
Yeah, if you can even see it. But I say people are already trying to flog this for stupid prices online. It's probably better value. Right, it's probably better value just to get the mystery box because you've almost got a guarantee of getting this. Almost. If you have the Disney subscription or just the general one. We just have the general one, which means you can put like whatever you want in there.
That's probably why we got the cheap dude from South Park.
Yeah.
To make up for the fact we got this one.
No, it's completely random, apparently.
Mm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So, Randy Marsh, which is one of my favourite characters on South Park. Pinocchio.
Oh, let's do values.
Yeah, let's check values. We'll be right back. Okay, so Randy Marsh on Pop Price Guide, which isn't reliable, is worth £7, which is what I thought. Really?
This one sold for £77?
Yeah, this is what I mean. People are really cashing in on this. On eBay sold listings, they've got £77, 53, 49, 50, 56, 75. Like all over the place. Yeah, look, the original one, but is there. These are all, yeah, so listing 60 quid, so I mean I wanted this one, but if it's gonna if it's gonna buy us a few I guess more pops.
I don't like it that much.
Yeah, well, I don't know. We'll see. We will see. But anyway, that's it for today. We will do this every time we get a mystery box or just something that's interesting. So, thanks for watching. I've been Sean.
I've been Jojo.
And you've been the audience. Bye!
Bye. Bye.